you guys have heard on the news, there's a hurricane called Hurricane Micheal that's coming in. So I am leaving my room and I'm gonna go kind of make a road trip to Fort Myers. Yeah, I got some of my shirts, bags. So I'm gonna go kind of make a road trip. School's canceled. It's closed for a few days, so. Appears as though someone got themselves in a little pickle. Cause of all this traffic was they had a fire. Oh, this guy? Oh, okay. Alright, this is what I thought the drive was gonna be like more since that whole hurricane thing. So it looks pretty bad for like a while. 349 will get you guys to divorce. Let's do this. So I've made it to FGCU. This is their student housing here. I'm gonna go finally find my friend and we're gonna go to another house. So that's the plan. This is the place. You can chill out for a little bit. Get away from bad weather. I'm out for a little walk. And this is kind of the vibe.
Move your car and then drive me to Jack's if you...
I'm just trying to say goodbye because I'm going to Fort Myers Beach and then Sarasota.
Bye, Danny!
Alright, but seriously, let's do it.
Love you, Danny. Thanks for coming.
Alright, half an hour drive gets you here. This is actually the most west part of like Florida. So I'm right on the little island part. So right there, what I'm videoing is actually the ocean. So that's kind of cool. Hopefully we can go across some cool bridges. I've got a GoPro strapped on, so you get like a time lapse of like all the stuff like this. So cool. Yes. So I'm pretty much gonna be doing like 2 hours of this. Beach, and it looks happening. Like, look at all of that stuff. That looks so fun. We have made it. This is the island. This is so cool. Literally came at like the perfect time. The sun is setting, becoming night. Oh man. Pretty much hit the end of this island. It's called Sanibel. So This is the end. Ends off in pretty much a beach. So, looks pretty cool. I have left FGCU and now I'm visiting one of my friends in Sarasota. This is the house here. So yeah, we're gonna go to Siesta Beach today. And yeah. We've made it to Siesta Key. And dude, it's prime. My boy Dom saw someone he had some interest in there. Let's see how this goes. We'll keep you updated on Dom's romantic life. Oh boy, they're talking. I think they're talking. Oh, they're doing good. He's doing good. Oh, and he's dipping. Damn. Alright, this is my last day at this house, and now I'm finally going home. So I'm going to take a little scenic route down the coast, and that's the plan so far. The drive has now brought me to Clearwater Beach. That's kind of where I'm heading. I'm going down that whole area. This is like the very west side of Florida that I'm gonna go on. And we'll see once I cross a bridge though. There's the ocean on that side. So yeah, I'm gonna get a lot of GoPro time-lapse videos of this. So it's pretty cool. It's a really cool area. Alright, I'm making a little pit stop. Check out these boats, because they are cool. Like, maybe one day. Kind of like that one. It's more of a sailboat, or a fishing boat. Yeah, these are cool. This place is poppin'. It's got boats, water park. Goodness. Alright, I just stopped at a beach. You can actually drive on it, and that was really cool. But this is what I'm talking about. That is the ocean. That is inland Florida down there. And look at this. This is so cool.